Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to unbox another mystery tackle box. Second one, because second one subscribed. We got that one right there. Got this one. Let me know if you guys want me to make a shelf or get a shelf and put the mystery tackle boxes up there. Put the Shimano real box up there. And just have a fun day. If you guys are wondering what that says, it says sponsor of the video is my dad. Because he got me into this, so I'm not really into it, but okay, let's see. How do you open this one? Look like this. That cut a lot smoother than I thought it would. Okay, I did take the sticker off here so you can see the actual mystery tackle box. Okay, let's open this up. I'm trying to get under it. Okay. What's in there? I can't see the box of them. Bro. Yo. We got the bull gill. We got a swim bait. Let's go on my first ever swim bait. You guys want to see me start swim bait fishing? Now we can. So we got the Shimano SLX the other day. If you guys didn't see that video, go watch it right now. Or after this video. And then we got a Fish Eagle medium heavy fishing rod. And go watch the video. The same video has all the baits I got too. So we got the bull gill, 3.75 inches. How deep does it dive actually? I'm gonna see this. If it says it. It's slow sinking, it says. Okay, one. It's not tiny. Okay, let's see this. Alright, we have to show you guys that. Okay, what is this right here? We have some, looks like curly tail. Oh, raptor tail, 7-inch worms. Everything's gonna be down in the description, so you guys know. You guys want to pick it up yourselves, or Mr. Tackle Box will also be down there. Okay, what are these? We got some cream craws. 3.75 inch pack of 5 green pumpkin claws. Craws. Why am I saying claws? Okay. So far we have 2 soft plastics and a swim bait. Next up we have some Harmony hooks. 3 hooks. What are these like? Are these like 3 whatever? It doesn't tell me. Great. I'm guessing the Harmony hooks, I feel like they go with these raptor tail, or what was it, raptor tail? Yeah, raptor tail, 7-inch worms. Ooh, diesel jig football head jig. Dude, that looks like a very, very thick hair jig. 1/2 ounce football jig. Now we'll be putting things in boxes and putting the what's it called? The swim bait on my swim bait rod. So we're ready. The other thing I fished on my swim bait rod was my umbrella rig or A rig or umbrella rig, A rig, and whim rig. That. Well, I didn't catch anything because it's completely frozen. Besides one little area where I was seeing how good it would swim, it sucked. Because I didn't put the things on, so I got jig heads and I got speech head, 3-inch speech head. Okay, what is this? Dribble fishing tips and tackle. So it looks like we got a little booklet here that tells you how to fish. Because apparently I don't know how. A call to cold water bass. These are like, oh wait, these like tell you what they're for. So that's bass. Trout, panfish, walleye, what is this? Ice fishing and inshore saltwater. Alright, that's what that is. Oh, almost dropped it. Alright, next we have it. Can't grab the thing. There's 2 more things. I can't grab it. We have how expensive everything is and what the price range is. Can you guys read it from there? Probably not. I don't know if you guys can read it from here either, but it only focuses really on my face. So you have this stupid light in the back. You guys should be able to read it. Swim bait was $15. Holy Jarvis. Alright, now this bluegill, where do they live? Where to look for bluegill? Under logs, docks, weed patches, deep grass, rocky shorelines, shaded banks on a sunny day. Oh, it has baby bluegill on the back. Is this like where you swim this thing? Near where those things are, so you could get some big bass. I'm gonna be really excited throwing this. Alright, now further ado, let's put these two things back in. We did get the sticker, but I kind of already lost it. No, I'm joking. It's on my Chromebook right now. Thing is, I recorded the whole video, and I ran out of storage on my phone, which I'm recording on right now, and it did not save. So right when I put my sticker on my phone, I look up at the camera and see it's not recording anymore. It's on my home screen, and I have no footage of that anymore. So we did get a bass playing a guitar by Ketchco. So we're gonna put the things in their boxes. But I didn't want to not record the video for you guys, so I just redid it for you guys. So it's being nice, so you guys can see my experience. That's actually how I reacted in the first one too. So those are the worms over there. So I'm actually starting a jig collection. I don't have very much right now because I have one jig tied on over there. I have one jig over there, 3 jigs, a chatterbait, and now we have 4 jigs in here. Plus chatterbait. We have 2 black and blue jigs. We got a white jig with like a 6-inch speed chat on the back of it. Now we have chartreuse and white chatterbait. Then we have the diesel jig, football jig head, blue, and green pumpkin. Okay, this could go in the turkey leg. Ugh, freaking something in my throat right now. Okay, I'm gonna put this down for you guys. Alright, so you guys can see. It's very disorganized. Don't worry. I know. I can't grab this thing. Okay. These hooks are gonna stay right here because I'm not taking them out of the package right now. So I'm gonna try and close it in with it. There we go. Okay, those can go over there. A bag of goodies. We're gonna put the craws and the raptor tail. And I opened up the Shikashi bug thing and put it on the firework jig over there on that rod and reel. And then we have these 3D crawls that I haven't opened because I'm saving those for springtime. I don't know why, I just want to try them then. Because it's all icy here now. Okay. We are closing this up right now. If I can close it. I'm going to start shooting some videos where I do the umbrella rig, fishing, and using different tackle for that. So we're going to try on this, you guys can see it right now. It is the bullgill. We're actually going to close this up and put on the box. I don't know why I just like saving these things. Did I tell you guys if I want to start the shelf? I probably did. Can't really like that. Okay, we're going to get the rod and reel. Okay. Boom. I have to bring this up a little bit so you guys just not looking at my nuts right there. Alright, I have to bring. Oh my god. I'm just gonna bring this table closer to me. Alright. Here it is. Here's the rod and reel. I have my Instagram link to my bio or my bio. I think, what the frick? How do I get this out? Do I pull this thing? Is this thing supposed to come out like that? Sorry, I'm a first timer, okay? What the frick do? Bend this back. I don't want to break it because I want to kind of keep the box. It's a sick box. What the frick? I don't even know how to open this thing. Looks like it's supposed to come out right here. Oh, it's coming. Oh, never mind. It was coming. Okay, we got it open. Fold these. Fold these. I'm gonna pull it out. If we get it sliding out. Sheesh. There is one. We're gonna put my hand and bring it closer to the camera. Don't hook me. Oh my god, this thing feels weird. I've never held a swim bait in my hand. Dude, look how nervous I am, dude. It's shaking. This is... Just imagine this thing swimming at you. Little bluegill type swim bait coming at you right there. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, but okay, I'm gonna bring it close to the camera now. Alright, maybe I should do it with this hand because this hand can actually go closer to it. Ah, it's got hooked. What the frick. Kind of jumped there, dude, because it kind of just caught me off guard. It looks like I'm holding a real fish right now. Hold on, I'm just gonna... Dude, I don't know how to bring this over to the stupid camera. I gotta bring it closer and try and hold it like this and like that. It's got hooked again. Like that. Okay. And I probably got hooked again. Do not hook me. Do not hook it. Out. Got hooked again. Out. Got hooked again. Okay. Set that guy down for a second. Okay. Now we're gonna take this little thing. Frick. Make sure it's not wrapped around anything down. Okay, it's not. I would have got a faster gear ratio, but the guy didn't ask me for one, so I technically couldn't even freaking ask him for one either. I'm just gonna drop that out of the box. Alright, we're gonna put this on. I wanted to go swim or fish with it right now. This looks so good. I'll probably start doing some more videos with this, especially with my Neuron and reel. Wait, if I hold it like this, can you guys see better? Well, it's stuck on my little bag over there. I mean, it's like a swim bait, so I mean, it's just gonna look like this in the water. And then you twitch it and something like that. I'm pretty sure you put the last hook on. Last hook on. And not, wait, no, that's gonna be tangled. Hold up, stop it. Can you stop? Hook. Okay, make it tight. Make sure it does not wrap around or anything. Last hook. I said last hook. There's some technical difficulties dude, this thing just wants to move. Well, not to just grab it from up here then. I just got hooked. Dude, can this thing go on already so I can get the hook on my finger? Okay, do not hook me. Now we're gonna... Okay, now you guys might be able to see it better. Alright, I'm gonna make it a little tighter. Alright, there we go. That's the baby bullgill swim bait. Now we're gonna bring this back up. Okay. Now you see my ugly face again. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like I said, everything's gonna be in the description if you guys want any of it, or if you guys want to sign up for a mystery tackle box, which is a monthly subscription where you get lures from, well, this box is up to 20 bucks, I'm pretty sure, 20 to 30 bucks price range of lures you'd get. I got hooked again. Frick. There's also an elite box. I'm pretty sure it's like 40 bucks a month, and you get a lot of lures out of it. And then there's the pro box, which you get $20 to $40 lures for like, I don't know. I'm not pro at this. Okay, so we're gonna put this down for right now, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Just take another look at that while I close out this video. Have a good day. Bye.